here it is, everybody. This is what we've been waiting for. The London Sunshine Ceramic Kamado Charcoal Barbecue Grill. I'm gonna open it right here. Today, I'm gonna show it to you, unbox it, set it up, and then we're gonna think about what we're gonna cook with it. We might use this for our Friday night dinner. We're not sure yet, but this is a heavy item. See, this is a tabletop Kamado barbecue grill, and it's on a tabletop right now. It should be easy to assemble. From London Sunshine. Have any questions? Just scan that code. I watched a video of it before it arrived, so I know pretty much what to do. It's pretty easy. I'm gonna take the pieces out one by one. I know you can't see in here too good, but it's packed very nicely. It's heavy. It's about 46 pounds, but it doesn't compare to the other ones. You know, the bigger ones. This is a small one, which is great for traveling. Smaller than what you might have seen in the past, but the bigger ones are anywhere from 160 to 300 pounds, and anywhere from $800 to $2,000. Some of the bigger ones you might have saw somewhere in the world. But this is a London Sunshine. It's a cadet series. You could put this in your car or truck and take it somewhere to your friend's house and have a nice barbecue. It's gonna be easy. You have bamboo handles. They're gonna be cool. 3 of those. London Sunshine. London Sunshine. It's gonna be great. Ooh, I got my halo. Where's that beautiful? Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at this beautiful egg. See it? I'm gonna get it out. Hang on. It's about 98 degrees outside, so if I do cook outside, I might eat inside. Maybe it'll cool down later tonight, I don't know. All right, you take the box off the bottom. I'll take the egg out. Oh, it looks like a strawberry. Look at this, packed very nicely. Look at that thermometer right there, temperature gauge. Beautiful. Ceramic cooking is like 3,000 years old. And even the word Kamado means, what does it mean again?
Holder of the cauldron.
Yeah. We looked up the history of it. Because the ceramic holds the heat and you need very little charcoal or wood. This can be a grill. It can also be a smoker with wood. So you need very little charcoal or whatever you're using, wood or charcoal. It's packed very nicely since it's so fragile. And this lid is already assembled. Nice spring hinge on the back. See? Nice. Nice soft cushioned insulating ring there, not to let any smoke out. I know even in my big smoker, smoke leaks out. But I don't think that's going to leak out except where it's supposed to, on the top, or the vents in the front.
It also helps to keep the moisture in.
Right. Should I read the instructions? Let's look at this quick start guide. Oh yes, this shows you how to set your vents for different types of meat. Beef, brisket, pulled pork, whole chicken, ribs, roast, fish, pork, tenderloin, chicken pieces, whole chicken, lamb, turkey, ham. Well, you can slow cook the first items I mentioned, and then grill. Sear, steak, pork chops, burger, sausages. That tells you the temperatures and how to set your vents. So that's pretty foolproof. All right, this is pretty easy instructions here. Let me show you another thing about the temperature gauge here. It says it's Fahrenheit and Celsius, and the yellow is smoking, and then there's a brighter yellow for baking, imagine that, and then grilling and searing. So you get your temperature where you want for whatever you're cooking, and you're good. Got a vent in the front to let more air in, or less, like this, or closed, or all the way open, depending on what you're going to smoke or grill. Same thing for the top. Has 3 positions, and you can also open it all the way up to really let the air in or out. If your temperature gets too high, you want to close this, give it less air, top and bottom. If it gets too low, you want to give it some more air, because the air helps the fire. You know that. All right, let's put these handles on. One with the London Sunshine goes on the front. All right, so I opened this nice package, and look what's in here. A screwdriver and a wrench. Everything you need. 10mm, 8mm, and a Phillips screwdriver. It's going to be easy. See? They're finger loose, then you tighten them up when you get your handle on. Get a handle on it. See how easy this is? Even I can do it. And this bamboo is going to be cool to the touch when you want to open it. They thought of everything. I love it that it's portable like this. We had no room for one of those giant ones that they make. This is going to be nice. We could put it in the corner over there when we're done with it, next to our other grill. See, tighten them finger tight. This is a 10mm. See that? Just snug them up. Not crazy tight, just snug. Let's open it up a minute. Oh yeah, all right, there's more stuff inside, see? I know that. Ah, the cooking pot. Ceramic. See how well protected this is for shipping? I love it. I didn't even put the legs on yet. Hang on, I'm too excited. Here we have the grate. There's your grate.
Stainless steel, I believe.
Mm-hmm. There's your inner pot. See that? Careful with it. And put the open part where the vent is in the front. Pretty self-explanatory. Nice. And then you put this here. Although this goes in first. I'm a little bit ahead of myself. But that's okay. This goes down the bottom. That's where you're going to put your charcoal or your wood. Okay. And you put this right there. Put the legs and the other handles back on, okay? All right, here's the 2 sets of legs. One is indented there, see? And this one is like that. Here's one of your screws, Phillips head. Fits right in there nicely. And a little nut for the bottom. That's easy. Tighten that up. 10mm. Hold it with the 10mm. Tighten it with the Phillips. Make sure it's straight. Do not over tighten any of these that are connected to the egg here. That's nice felt there. Look at that. Soft all the way around. All right, when you got the legs assembled, you take this ring and you see how it has 3. Well, you take this one and you put it in one of the legs. Like that. And you continue all the way around. I wouldn't tighten these completely till I'm done, but we go all the way around. See how they all fit nicely? This is felt covered too here. This is really nice. Precision. And the handles are going to attach on to these. There and there. Isn't it easy? And there's the last one. That's nice that they gave you a wrench and a screwdriver. I believe that's a 10mm. Yep. Okay, tighten these 4 up, and we go on to the next step. Okay. Now we put the handles on. Bamboo handles. See, they're going to go like that. Self-explanatory. Take these 4 off. You can do this in about 15 minutes if you watch this video first. I didn't watch a complete assembly video. I just looked at the parts. You know, I'm always looking for shortcuts. See that? How that goes? Beautiful. All right, I'll tighten these up and then I'll show you when they're on. You see how easy it is? Okay. These you can make tighter, but when you're tightening on the egg ceramic area, don't make them very tight. Just snug. You know why. That's that. Now I'm going to lift the egg into the stand and we're going to be done. Oh, that's nice. It's easier to carry this way, see? But never pick it up when it's hot, okay? And these come in different colors. These come in black, green, red, or orange. I'll put a link down there in the video description. Plus, you can get 15% off if you use my discount code. Okay? Now, if you're watching this next year or 2 months from now, I'm not sure if that'll work, but right now, check the link in the video description below this video. Use my coupon code, RickMamana, and save 15%. And surprise your buddy with one of these, or your significant other. Somebody's having a birthday soon? Look what I got you. And it's the perfect size. It's not one of the giant things that you can't do anything with. All right, let's look at it again. We can get a chicken in there. I bet you. If you want to smoke, you'd put wood in there. Adjust your temperatures with the vents. If you want to grill, like I think I'm hungry for hot dogs and hamburgers just to try it. You know, put a little bit of charcoal, just a little bit of charcoal. That's what's good about this. And why do you think you'd want one of these Kamado grills? Especially a mini one? Because it has superior taste to a regular grill. The thick ceramic, which is 1 inch thick inside that bowl we put in there, keeps heat, moisture, spice, and charcoal flavor inside and distributes it evenly to whatever you're cooking. Makes it juicy, tender, and flavorful. And it's efficient and economical. This is a long-lasting, beautiful masterpiece barbecue grill that will upgrade your backyard lifestyle. It's far more economical than buying a new barbecue every few years, and it could reduce your use of charcoal 50 to 75% of regular grills. Did you like that? Okay. I wanted to unbox it and set it up for you. I still think it looks like a strawberry, huh? I said, what color do you want? I was going to get black or green. Okay.
I think it's a nice color.
It's different. Anything else I want to say about it, I'll think about it and tell you next time, because we're going to cook something good. Remember, check that link in the description. Save some good money. Compared to those other ones that you saw somewhere, they're $800. They're $2,000. This is not that price. Check the link and save. Plus, you get 15% off with my code. All right, this thermometer here says almost 100 degrees. I know it's time to go in and get cool. That's a good thermometer. I love this a lot. Thank you, London Sunshine. Check them out. Can't wait to get some charcoal in there. Probably only need about 8 or 10 pieces of charcoal in there. And we'll be cooking. And I'm going to smoke something soon, too. I'm going to try it first with just hamburgers and hot dogs, and then I'm going to try smoking something, maybe a chicken or a piece of meat or something. Okay? So I look forward to that. Please subscribe. Stop back soon. Oh, come back for our Friday video, like we eat every Friday with you. And we'll probably have something good on here. Okay? See ya. Nice, isn't that nice?